Hey y'all, welcome back to the final part of my makeup birthday series. Y'all, I am doing a cut crease for the first time. I am so scared, but if you watch until the end, you'll see how amazing it turned out. So I'm bringing you guys up close and personal, starting off with my brows. And of course, I'll put all of the products that I use in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out, okay? Your girl is turning 30 years old. If you're watching this, my birthday has already passed, and this is the makeup look that I chose, but I still wanted to show you guys what I did and bring you guys along the journey. And y'all, being 30 is already amazing because today was such a chill day. It's been raining all day, and if it looks like that I have an attitude, I did, because my period started the day before my birthday and it had me tight. Because why, God? Why? I was chilling and we didn't have to do any of that, but you just had to put my period. But it's okay. I'm using these foundations from Estee Lauder, and y'all, I love these. It came out so good. So my base is coming together so nicely, y'all. I'm telling you, this Estee Lauder foundation is it. And what is a birthday look without full coverage concealer? We have to go with the OG Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It is full coverage, and I love, love, love this concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo liquid blush just to, add a little color to my cheeks, and I'm using their highlighter. Y'all, this thing made me glow so nicely, y'all, and I'm just eating the girls up. I have to blend everything together, make sure everything is seamless, and I'm just gonna put on some music so y'all can enjoy this blending process, okay? Base is complete, so I have to do my brows. I'm using this pencil from Thread Beauty. I actually kind of like it. This is in the shade dark brown, and it really snatched my brows together. I feel like the only difference that I would have done is getting a lighter color, because obviously my hair is way lighter and there's a contrast, but it worked out in the end. I'm using Hourglass face powder, I believe that it's called. Once again, I'm going to put everything in the description box so you guys can fact check to set my concealer. And it's so good, y'all. I want my face to be matte, but not too matte that it's drying, because I am a normal dry skin girly. So I want to make sure that my face still has some glow, but it is matte in the places that need to be matte. Look at this base, y'all. Okay, and of course I'm going with Haus Labs blush. This one is my favorite from Haus Labs. It's so beautiful, it's so subtle, and y'all, I couldn't find my brush. That's how I was making that base. And I love it. There's nothing more to say, is that I love it. That's it. Y'all already know the OG bronzer, Juvias Place. I love this bronzer as well. It added the perfect warmth to my face without necessarily snatching it, because I didn't want to look, I just wanted to look like a little bronze, perfectly kissed by the sun for my birthday. That was the goal that I was looking for. We're gonna take a little tea break because I need all the calmness that I can get with doing this cut crease, you guys. I was so scared, but I am so happy that I did this because it came out so beautifully. And of course, I was inspired by Miss Beats by Deb. I love her so much, and her cut crease looked so beautiful. I'm like, okay, I need to try this for this makeup look, and I think I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. At first, I wasn't going to put any lashes, but this look needed lashes. And I got these lashes from Amazon. I think they're called Poopy Lunch. And y'all, these lashes were giving me a run for my money. But I made it work, and I look so good. Before lashes, I need to do this lip combo. I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lip. It's a chocolate tone. And I was like, I needed something else. So I put in the middle Merit Beauty's Maison, and I wasn't feeling it. So I put on Rendezvous from Huda Beauty. So I wanted something that was pigmented enough, but not overpower the eyeshadow look. That's why I didn't add any gloss. And I think it did what it needed to do. I wanted to, add a little bit more liner to kind of make it pop a little bit more. But that's okay. We all make mistakes. And like I was telling y'all before, look at these lashes just giving me a run for my money, y'all. I love these lashes because they're just big, they're fluffy, drama, and I was just over it because it just wouldn't stick at all, okay? But like I said, I made it work, and the look came out so beautifully. y'all, at the end, of course, I was showing y'all, you know, how beautiful I look, and I was talking to my mama because what is my birthday without talking to my mom? But I absolutely love this look. I think I'm gonna start doing cut creases more often, y'all, because this came out so good. And I really truly appreciate y'all for supporting me, for supporting this series, and comment down below what more series that you guys want me to do. And of course, I'm going to tell you guys all about my birthday. And yeah, I love y'all so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.